Hello and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how you can buy the meme AI coin. It's quite easy to get this token. Open up your browser and log on to coinmarketcap.com. The link would be in the description of the video. So guys, you're on coinmarketcap.com. How can I get the contract address? How can I buy the meme AI? Simply scroll down and copy its contract address. As you can see, it exists on the Ethereum network. So make sure you've copied this. Once you've copied it, scroll down so you can find where you can trade it. As you can see, the decentralized exchange we're going to be working with is the Uniswap version 2. You can find its volume, its confidence, the liquidity score, and the rest. Once that's done, minimize and open up a wallet. Now, you're going to be opening a wallet that has access to Uniswap. So be it your MetaMask or your Trust Wallet or any wallet of your choice. So click on Trust Wallet. Now, with your wallet opened, please make sure you have Ethereum on any of your wallets you're using. You could search for mainnet Ethereum by typing in the Ethereum option. That's ETH. And once that's done, you'd find the Ethereum token. As you can see, I've highlighted the mainnet Ethereum. This is the Ethereum we're going to be working with. And make sure you have some of this Ethereum. If you do not, click on the buy option, enter an amount of Ethereum you wish to buy and pay with your card. So guys, once that's done, how can you get the meme AI on your wallet? With your Ethereum available, head over to the browser section, scroll till you find the Uniswap exchange option, click on Uniswap. Okay guys, and once Uniswap is opened up, click on the connect option you see, select the wallet connect, and your wallet should be automatically connected. So click on select and click on connect. And boom, we've successfully connected. So click on the select token drop down and paste the contract address we had copied earlier. So once you've pasted this contract address, you'd find the meme AI. Click on meme AI, click on I understand. And now let's say you've got about $6 worth of Ethereum. You could be getting a good amount and paying a gas fee of $8 for your meme AI. So guys, do comment down below if you've got a question concerning how we can buy the meme AI on our wallet, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.